I was told recently by a friend that gaining the knowledge to become a successful leader was really quite easy, and I agree. To gain the knowledge to be a leader, you can read books, watch TED Talks, watch other successful leaders. But to become a truly great supervisor and team leader, however, you need more than knowledge. It requires you to practically use your knowledge and skills for a team at the right place, at the right time, every day. This takes knowledge, yes, as well as skill, ability, values, and appropriate behaviour. And it can be trained and learned. I want to welcome you to our Supervisor and Team Leader program. This program is for established leaders looking to develop their leadership abilities, build high-performing teams, and improve business results. The course is designed for team leaders that have been in their role for at least 6 months, have a clear understanding of their expectations and their role as a leader, or have been working within their own business with a team for 6 months or more. In this program, we seek to take businesses and their team leaders that have been performing at a satisfactory level and get them to that next level of performance and behaviour, both for themselves and for their team. That requires getting past the juggling of skills and behaviours and putting plans together as a coordinated series of tasks and abilities. To be able to focus on essential requirements, including your alignment relating to your purpose and values, achievement relating to your task and planning for yourself and your team, awareness relating to your self-awareness and confidence, altitude relating to feedback, communication skills and team behaviour, and adaptability relating to your environment and changing circumstances. This program provides not only an understanding of your leadership, but also the impact of your leadership upon your team. The ability to know their strengths and their weaknesses and how to apply both to get the best out of them. The Supervisor and Team Leader program is a modularised course designed to take your leadership skills and behaviours to the next level, utilising leadership assessment, executive coaching and team workshops. If this sounds like a program that would be useful for you or your team leaders, give us a call today.